Prince Dykes.
And what the hell are you doing?
Today, checking out my bucket list.
Checking bucket list?
Yeah, you know, gotta do a little skydiving, something a little different. I know people are like, oh, this guy's crazy or whatever, but I think I'll just give it a little try today. And see how it goes.
See how the landing goes?
Yes, you know, it'll be a pretty good experience, you know.
Yep.
I don't think I ever do it again, but we'll see about it.
We'll see after. You might be addicted to this.
I might be. You know?
My name's Scott. I'm going to be your camera guy. I'm going to be flying around. All you need is a big old smile from you. Looks like you're pretty good at that.
Oh, yeah.
Anything you want to say to the ladies?
I want to tell the ladies, you know, I told you I was a pretty adventurous guy. Get with me, you'll go far. So.
All right.
Well, my wife, she's jumping with me today too, so.
Right on. Well, I guess not much to the ladies then, huh?
Yeah, you know, can't give too much to the ladies, you know.
Cool. All right, well, I'll see you outside. Have a good time, big smiles, and let's enjoy ourselves, okay?
Okay.
You want to get your wife over here and get some pictures?
As we exit, Archer punches again, Archer. This way, tap on your shoulder. Bring her like this. Look at him. Wave and smile. Thumbs up. Right hand.
About 4,500 feet. How you feeling?
I feel outstanding. I'm ready to go down.
Are you sure you still want to do this with this guy? He looks pretty clueless.
They say he's pretty good. I don't know.
Who told you that?
I kind of Googled him up there.
He told you that.
He showed his certificate and everything.
A certificate? Okay, well then you're good to go. Alright, well have some big smiles up there, Arch. Look at me and have a good time, alright? Alright.
Alright, Prince, how was that? Oh man, that was outstanding, you know. That's another check off the bucket list.
Would you do it again?
That's another check off my bucket list.
All right, let me help you out. Thanks for jumping at Skydiving, man. You rock.